Last week we visited a small piece of the Pacific coastline when we stopped in Brookings, Oregon to view the incredible ocean stacks and enjoy a little beach time before heading to Portland to see America's largest independently owned bookstore. This week we traveled to Ashford, Washington to explore Mount Rainier National Park. Where's the office?
Welcome office 219.
Where?
It says
It says park here, and then you walk. Then turn right. Whether you're RVing, camping, or opting for a cabin stay, Mounthaven has something for everyone. Plus, with amenities like hot showers, laundry facilities, and a camp store, you'll have everything you need for a comfortable stay. And make sure to keep an eye out for Bugs, the resident hare.
I kept twisting it. I twisted too because it was able to go all the way around without breaking.
Good job, Toothless. Today, we're embarking on an adventure to one of the most iconic landmarks in the Pacific Northwest. In 1899, Mount Rainier became one of the nation's first national parks, thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists who recognized the need to preserve its natural beauty for future generations. Morning.
Hello, do you have a pass or do you need
to
one?
purchase a new one.
Perfect, go to the left lane around the
Thank you,
corner.
sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
How's it going? We need doing well. Is it for all the national parks?
The $80 one works at every national park.
That's what we need.
There you are.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Do you have a map by chance? Perfect. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks.
The Visitor Center is a great place to get your bearings to learn the layout of the park. Speak to a ranger, pick up supplies, visit the theater, and check out the kiosks to learn the history of this majestic mountain.
Okay, so they informed us that going this way is a hazardous avalanche area, a lot of snow right now. So they recommended going this opposite way up to Panorama Point. So we're gonna get started. Hopefully it's only about 3 hours. Let's go. So we just started this Skyline Trail. They said strenuous, and starting right off the bat, it's pretty strenuous. Not that it's difficult as far as terrain. As you can see, it's paved, but it's pretty straight up. I don't know what the incline is, but it's pretty serious. How you doing, lady?
We're doing good. Just trying to keep her motivated. I love her new smile without her tooth.
Yeah, just in time for the hike. Hey, maybe it'll help you breathe better. lunch break before we see how far we can get. Looks like there's a pretty big snowpack up there. So not sure if we're gonna make it to Panorama Point, but this view is awesome. You can actually see the 3 mountains. Mount St. Helen, way back there, Mount Hood, and then Mount Adams. Looks like this is the highest point we're gonna get to today. You can probably see the line up there behind us. A lot of people are going down that little snowpack, kind of sledding down, because apparently it's safer sliding down than walking up. The watch says we are at 6,363 feet elevation, and like I said, the view is absolutely stunning. Mount Adams, Mount Hood, Mount St. Helen, and of course Mount Rainier back here. You guys got to do this hike. Hopefully we're going to come back again another time, maybe when some of the snow is gone, and we can make it all the way up to the top, because I hear the view from Panorama Point is stunning. It's just beautiful. But not to take away from this hike, it is amazing. Even if you can only do a little bit of it, you've got to try it. So yeah, time to go back down.
Join us next week when we travel to Twin Falls, Idaho to see Snake River, a historic Evel Knievel site, plus some true thrill seekers. Thank you for watching.